So welcome friends, welcome to my channel Technical Mighty, and today I again represent you another very important product unboxing video. So actually today I unbox a mobile phone. So actually I bought it from Flipkart. So as you can see that this is the Flipkart branding. So actually friends, today I don't have any plan to make an unboxing video. So actually I studies biology here for my examination. So but I think to overcome the boring, I have to make some videos for my channel. So then that's why I make this video. So today I unbox Nokia 150 or 150DS. This Nokia 150 model also called as 150DS. So actually this is a black version, and the price of this product is 2000 in Indian rupees. The price of the product is 2258 rupees. Okay, 2258 rupees. So actually I bought in cash on delivery from Flipkart. So okay, so this is the packet of this, and the packaging of the Flipkart is always as expected, very good. Most Amazon, Flipkart both are good. So I already give this the purchase product link of this, the Amazon purchase link of this product in the video description. If you like this video and want to get this mobile, then I suggest you to buy from my purchase link. Then this will also be a great help for me also. So okay, so let's unpack this. So as you can see, my scissors today I don't have the small scissor. This is the big scissor. Okay, so let's unpack this. So okay, as you can see, so this is the packaging of the product. So what we have to do is, so as you can see that, so this is a Nokia 150DS. So let's follow what has been written here. So you can also pause the video here. As you can see, this is the made in India Nokia 150DS, or it's also sometimes previously say it's also called Nokia 150, and this is the QR code. You can also, sorry, this is the barcode. You can also scan this. So as you can see, this is a full seal product, and my advice is don't accept this product if the seal is broken. So now what you have to do is just just cut the cello tip. So here is the cello tip. This is the seal product. What you have to do is just so as you can see, this is, whoa, this is a monkey packaging here. So as you can see that this is the, actually they rub it like any other paper. So this is no, I think this is another, this is the another cover of this another product. So and they wrap it with this Nokia. So okay, so useless product. So okay, and as you can see, so let's see this. So this is comes with FM radio player, video player. That means this suppose radio, and as well as if you insert micro SD card, then you can easily play songs on video player. And this is a music player, play songs. This is a torch, some games here, and support up to 32 GB external micro SD card. Okay, and card not included. That means this model support micro SD card up to 32 GB, but that does not, the SD card is not included with this pack. You have to buy separately to use this in this. And it's have, oh, in this price range they give also better quality camera here, and the screen size is 6.09 centimeter and up to 22 hours. So I think 25 days. Okay, talk to standby. In one charge it's support 22 hours of charge. Okay, so let's open this product here. So as you can see here, this is the Nokia seal. Most probably you saw some of the YouTube videos there, don't accept the product if the seal is broken. This is the seal. You have to cut your own seal. Sorry friends, I don't have any external meaning here. So okay, so what you have to do is just cut out the seal here. Okay, so this is the packet seal. In your life you have to cut different type of seals. Sorry. Okay, so let's let's cut the seal here. Okay, so as you can see, I successfully cut the seal. And as you can see, this is the phone. So let's see what is inside the box. This is the phone, Nokia 150DS, and this is the charger. This is USB 2.0 or USB 2.0 charger, not any USB-C or USB 3.0 charger, and it comes with microphone, and it has 6 months warranty. That means if you have faced any issues, you have to, actually they have some separate battery, you have to insert this battery here, and this is the user's manual guide here. Okay, so if you very uncultured man, then you read this user guide, and then after you can use this phone. Actually friends, company think that we are uncultured, that's why they give quick design. So in today's world, a baby can use any phone here. So actually the phone is very light. Okay, so wow, what a phone. What a phone. So this is very light phone, and this is the camera, this is the torch here, this is the okay, this is the mic sound. Okay, so okay, and this is the microphone here. So just open the sorry, this is the earphones. Let's open the earphones here. So okay, so as you can see that this is the microphone. Okay, so this is the earphone here. So this is a very long earphone. So actually friends, I shoot this video in my personal room, and this is the tube light. So this is the today this is the 8 p.m. that means I don't have any active YouTube light for shooting YouTube videos, so sorry for the quality. Okay, I hope you understand. Actually all of my YouTube videos I shoot using my Lumia 640 XL. So I have on future plan that I buy a Canon 90D or 80D high DSLR camera for my videography. Okay, so this is the phone. Okay, so what you have to do is just insert this battery in the hair. So I don't insert the battery in the hair because otherwise the video become very long. Okay, so okay, so not I cut some of the part of the video, and after that I just started the phone here. Okay, so let's okay, so friends, I don't have any after effects or special effects. So okay, so friends, as you can see, this is the part, actually some of the part of the middle part of the video where I insert the rub the battery from the packet and inside the battery in the product in the mobile phone. So let's set up the mobile here. This is the setup of Microsoft sorry, this is the setup of Nokia 150DS. So okay, so as you can see, this is, so sorry, actually my phone has a, okay, so as you can see, you have to select the automatic here. So select automatic, and this is a clock. So and this is the date. So let's see what is the time here. This is the 8:10. So okay, so I later I adjust this all this. Okay, okay, set the time. Okay, so okay, so as you can see, this is the Nokia 150 or 150DS, and actually this is a dual SIM version, and this is a camera I previously say. Okay, this is the menu, messaging. Okay, this is the Snake Exinjai game, this is the Bluetooth here. So this is all of this in the here. Okay, so I think in the 2200 price range, this is the best product. Okay, So this is a very, because in this price range they give video player, audio player up to 32 GB micro SD slot, lots of mobile games here, and what they also have is Bluetooth here, okay, and calculator, basic functions also. So I think you would not be disappointed if you buy this product. So use this product as a secondary phone. I hope you have any Android phone like OnePlus, Samsung Galaxy S8 or S10, and or any iOS device, that means iPhone XR or something, and this is your backup phone. In case your primary phone is not working, then you can also use. So another thing is, some of the people use backup phone to call their girlfriend. Okay, so this is the difference. I hope you have, must be a secondary, you always must have any secondary microphone. In case your first phone is not working, then this is a great fall, this is a great help for you then. Okay, so this is my unboxing of Nokia 150 or 150DS, and this is a black color version. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe among with your friends. And if you have any query regarding this, and previously I said this is have 6 months warranty. If you have any issue regarding any hardware issue, camera issue, all other issue, then you can easily replace the product. And if you have any query regarding this, then feel free to comment down below. I try my hard to resolve your issue. So okay friends, goodbye.